I don't know if you guys saw my video on the Milwaukee knife, but I put this thing through hell. I'm talking about I beat it up, stabbed it into trees, and still cut things. So I'm going to show you what it looks like after I did all that.
Still super sharp.
Alright, now we're going to do the sharpness test. Show you the mechanism still works, still nice and tight. We're going to see how sharp this thing is now.
Pretty impressive.
Yeah, still sharp even after the beating I gave this knife. Little wood test. Yeah, pretty impressive. Tell me what you guys think.